Welcome friends to Right Online School Education Rose Project. I'm Sawan KSK from Mahatma Gandhi Junior College, Password. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the tense and in tense. Today's topic is past tense. So let's begin the past tense. In past tense, we have the four substances and from those we have the first one simple past tense. Second one, we have past continuous tense. Third one, we will study past perfect tense. And in fourth, we are going to discuss about the past perfect continuous tense. These four tenses we are going to discuss in today's video. So watch and listen carefully. Simple past tense. And we should use it to show action is completed in the past. Formula is subject, V2, past form means V2 and object. With the help of this formula, we have to make sentences and change into the tenses. First one, you appeared for SSC exam. If you look at the formula, subject V2, here you is subject, appeared is V2 or past form, and the remaining one is object. You appeared for the SSC exam means this action completed in the past. Okay. Second one, India lost the T20 World Cup. If you remember the T20 World Cup, you can realize that India lost the T20 World Cup. The action is completed in the past. Third one, we studied present tense in the last video. If you remember, in the first video, we studied about the present tense. So the action of studying is also completed in the past. Fourth one, they went to meeting yesterday. And the last example is teacher taught a novel in the last lecture. If you look at these sentences, you can realize all five sentences are followed with the help of this formula, subject, V2 and object. You appeared, India lost, we studied, they went, and teacher taught. Okay. So don't forget this to use the formula while changing the sentences into simple past. Next is past continuous tense. And when to use it to show action was going on in the past. It is exactly opposite of the present continuous tense. And the formula is subject, was, were, VING and object. Example is you were appearing for the SSC exam. Look at the example and the formula. You subject, then were is followed and VING appearing. And the remaining is object. Second example is India was losing the T20 World Cup. India subject, was and VING. Just look at the formula. Third one, we were studying present tense in the last video. Fourth example, they were going to meeting yesterday. And the last example, teacher was teaching a novel in the last lecture. Watching this video carefully, you can realize that I have changed all the five sentences into past continuous tense from the simple past tense. So it is easy to change the one tense from the other tense with the help of this formula. Friends, you just need to follow or remember or mug up whatever the formula of the tense. The next is past perfect tense. And when to use it? Just see, to show action is completed much earlier in the past. Here much earlier means much time has been passed. And the formula is subject, had, V3 and object. Look at the first example. You had appeared for the SSC exam. Look at the sentence, you, subject, had and appeared V3. So we have gone through this formula. Second example is India had defeated Pakistan in the World Cup in 2011. If you remember the World Cup of 2011, India defeated Pakistan. So I have made this sentence, India had defeated. Subject had plus V3. Next example is we had studied present tense in the last video. I can look at this subject, we, had and V3. they had gone to a meeting on Monday. And the last example is teacher had taught a novel in the last lecture. So all these 5 sentences are of the past perfect tense. Subject had V3. You had appeared, India had defeated, we had studied, they had gone, teacher had taught. Okay, so you need to learn the formula by heart. Or if you keep reading the formulas, and you will learn automatically. And the last is past perfect continuous tense. When to use it? To show action began in the past and continues in the past. The formula is subject, had been, VING and object. Look at the example. You had been appearing for the SSC exam. You subject, then had been, and appearing means VING. Second example is India had been defeating Pakistan in the World Cup. Third example is we had been studying present tense for 5 years. Means action of studying present tense began in the past and continues in the past. Means right now we are not studying present tense. This is the meaning. Fourth one is they had been going to meetings for many years. Means what? They began to attend the meeting or going to meeting in the past and continues in the past. Right now they are not going for the meetings. Okay. The last example is teacher had been teaching English in the college for 12 years. Teacher had been VING. Okay. This is the formula of the past perfect continuous. All the actions of appearing, defeating, studying, going and teaching, they began in the past and continues in the past. There is no connection or those actions in the present. They begin in the past and continues or left in the past. So this is the formulas of the past tense, simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. I hope if you watch the video carefully and if you note down the formulas of the tense, you will easily change the one tense into the other tense. Okay, if you look at the video carefully and note down the formulas, you can easily change the one tense from the other one or one tense to the other tense. You just need to learn the formula by heart and keep reading every day. Thank you, and we will study the future tense in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care.